7 habits that make you and me millionaire with in age 25. 1. Set standards, not goals. Don't say you want 1,000 subscribers in 1 month. Make getting 35 subscribers a day your standard. 2. Focus. Follow one course until success. Don't keep changing what you do for the sake of it. 3. Create every single day. The more you create, the more you learn, the more you grow. Action leads to clarity. 4. Invest in yourself every day. You don't need to do this alone. Read books, invest in a mentor, watch YouTube videos. 5. Sacrifice and replace. Sacrifice your time watching Netflix and replace it with what needs to be done. 6. Invest in your health. A healthy you is the best you. 7. Find someone better than you. Drop the ego. Find people better than you every day and learn from what they do.